You know, for so many of us, the roti or chapati, it's more than just something we eat. It's that warm, comforting staple that's on our plates almost every single day. It's reliable, it's delicious, and it feels like home. But what if that simple, familiar flatbread could be doing so much more for you? I mean, what if it could actually be a nutritional powerhouse, packed with fiber, protein, and vitamins to really support your health? Let's dive into how we can transform this daily staple. So why even bother changing something so basic, right? Well, it turns out the answer lies in a few key health benefits that can make a massive difference in your daily life. We're talking everything from your energy levels to your digestion. Okay, so we're aiming for three main things here. First, we want to boost that fiber and protein. That's what keeps you feeling full and helps with muscle health. Second, we're going to lower the glycemic index. This is huge for avoiding those nasty blood sugar spikes and crashes. And third, we're going to pack in more vitamins and minerals for a stronger immune system and just, feeling good overall.
Here's where you can really see the difference. It's all about how your body processes the energy. A standard roti might give you a quick burst, but an upgraded, nutrition-dense version, that gives you sustained energy. It keeps you going for longer without that awful afternoon slump. It's all about making your food work smarter for you.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. We've got the data to prove it. A 2010 study looked directly at the glycemic index. That's how fast a food raises your blood sugar. They compared a standard whole wheat roti to one made with a special flour mix. And the result? Whoa! The upgraded roti had a dramatically lower GI. That means a much gentler, much more stable impact on your blood sugar. Okay, so where do we even begin? Well, the single biggest change you can make is switching up your flour. There's a whole world of these incredible nutrient-packed grains out there, and each one has its own special superpowers. Let's take a look at some of the top contenders. Check out Besan or chickpea flour. It packs an unbelievable 22 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's a powerhouse. Then you have bajra, with a solid 8.5 grams of fiber. And the best part? All these options, jowar, bajra, ragi, and besan, they're gluten-free and have a lower glycemic index. They're just fantastic alternatives to plain old wheat. And what's really cool is that it's not about finding the one perfect flour. Each one offers something unique. Ragi is like a superhero for your bones with all its calcium. Jowar is loaded with antioxidants. Bajra is amazing for heart health. And besan, well, that's your go-to for a serious protein kick. You can literally mix and match to customize your roti for your own health goals. Now maybe you're thinking, I'm not quite ready to switch my flour completely. Hey, no worries at all. There are some incredibly simple ways to boost the nutrition of your regular whole wheat dough. These are easy little tweaks you can start doing like today. Seriously, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Toss in a scoop of besan for that protein boost. Grate in some veggies. Carrots, spinach, whatever you've got for extra fiber and vitamins. It's such a sneaky good way to get more nutrients in. And finally, sprinkle in some spices. Ajwain is great for digestion, and turmeric has those amazing anti-inflammatory benefits. Simple changes, huge impact. All right, so we've covered the what. Now let's talk about the how. I know, making rotis with these other flours can feel a little tricky at first, but I've got a few pro tips that'll guarantee they turn out soft, fluffy, and delicious every single time. These are the 3 golden rules. Number 1, use hot or warm water to knead the dough. It just helps create a softer texture from the very beginning. Number 2, always let your dough rest for at least 15 minutes. This step is magic. It relaxes the dough, making it way easier to roll out. And finally, resist that urge to over-knead it. It's a super common mistake that actually makes the rotis tough. And look, this isn't just about numbers on a chart. The real-world impact can be absolutely profound. I love this quote from a Reddit user because it really gets to the heart of it. They talk about feeling more energetic, more creative, just after changing the grains in their diet. It's such a powerful reminder that what we eat truly, deeply affects how we feel. But hold on, there is one more pro-level tip. It's something that often gets completely overlooked, but it makes a massive difference. We're talking about how the flour is actually made. The milling process itself can totally change the flavor, the smell, and even the nutrients in your flour. And here is the ultimate showdown. On one side, you have the traditional stone chucky. It grinds slow and low, keeping things cool, and that preserves the nutrients. We're talking about 90% retention. Now compare that to the industrial roller mills. They go super fast and get really hot. This heat can destroy sensitive vitamins, leaving you with 55% of the nutrients, or even less. And the flavor? It's night and day. Nutty and sweet versus, well, kind of neutral or even a little burnt. So there you have it. Whether you start by just adding a scoop of besan to your dough, or you go all in with a gluten-free bajra roti, or maybe you seek out some of that amazing stone ground flour, there are so many simple ways to upgrade your daily chapati. The journey to a better roti is really a journey to better health, and it all starts with one small change. So the only question left is, what will yours be?